Hello guys, welcome back. Today is day 34, our Learning English Challenge journey. Speaking in front of the camera, next 90 days, consistently keep doing that. 33 days and today day 34. Hopefully we practicing 1 month, complete month and few days. We're not even close, but being consistent is the what we need to improve this language. So every single day I practice my English way here, speak the language, learn new words, these sentences. And today I prepare some bunch of IELTS questions. We're going to learn and explain those IELTS questions and teach you as well, guys, and teach myself. So let learn English together and practice in front of the camera. So let's get started. So I prepare some bunch of IELTS questions and a lot of words inside these questions during these questions. So write down those words or even IELTS questions. Practice your English right here and please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and watch the video until the end. So let's get started. So the first question is, do you think people are happier now than in the past? Do you think people are happier now or in the past? This is the first question. So for me, people they happier in the past. There's a lot of perspective way to right now. In the past, we can compare past and right now people they are happy. They have so many things, so many access. But it seems people they just focusing technology, making a new thing every single day, showing us some technology like that. But in the past, people they more focus families, happiness, a lot of things. So for me, I think the past people they are more happier than right now because of in the past people they are going to we they are family. Everybody with family. People they are trust each other. They love each other and they are good friends. So but right now, everybody want to make something. Everybody want to make a new thing, technology. So everybody watching his phone or interact like people they doing something like other stuff. But in the past, you see a lot of family being together, talking each other, having fun, and play some activity. But right now, nothing. Nobody, no family, bro. Every 5 years old the guy live alone right now, so it's kind of weird. So let's move another second question. The second question is, do you think young people spend too much time on their phone? Do you think young people spend too much time on their phone? Absolutely, 100%. Not young people. Everybody in this world right now in 2025 spend their phone too much 100 times. So including me, maybe including you. I don't know. Some people they really focus on activities, we learn new languages and do some activities. But some people when they woke up before they brushing their teeth, before they saying hi their mommies, their dad, anybody, they just say their phone hi. They just focus. They do they just spend or use their phone 5 seconds. They woke up before doing anything. They just want to use their phone. So that can be when you woke up before you doing eating something, brushing your teeth, clean yourself up. If you focus your phone, what do you think the during of the day? You just still focus on your phone. So people they absolutely spend too much time their phones. Not young, not but people, all people generally above above maybe 15 to 40 they will spend a lot of time their phone. So yeah, that's the question. Yeah, of course they do. So let's move another question. Second question is, what skills are important for the future? What skills are important for the future? I don't know what skills are for important for the future, but I just trying my best. And yeah, of course, I'm gonna practice my English way. So for me, I would say a lot of skills are important for the future. First, coding, data analyzing, uh, uh, editing, what else? Graphic design. Mm, what else? Like English. English skill as well. So English very important in the future. Every in the future, in the past, if you know English is a skill. If you don't know English, you cannot explore those skills. You cannot work with those skills internationally, like uh professionally. So you must learn English if you wanna do or learn any other language. So for me, English is one of them. Those skills are important in the future. So yeah, of course, English is a skill as well. So let's move to the last question. The last question is a bit weary. The last question is, what can government is do to make citizens cleaner? Citizens cleaner, yeah, citizen. What are the what? Wait, what can government do to make citizens cleaner? Government can do to make sure the cities are cleaner would be support the like cleaning agency, the people who clean the streets, the people who like just work at their profession is cleaning. They should support that people. They tell people or encourage them to not throw their items they're using at the streets. If you people when they buy some new items, they should put on the trash can and they do not throw away at the street on the streets. So that's I think should government can make can make to clean citizens cleaner. It's a bit weird question, how hard, but yeah, that is I think people should encourage them to not throw their items they're using when they finish at the streets. They should put on the trash can. So that's our video, guys. I hopefully every single day we practice our English right here and speak the language, use the language. So as you do, use the language with us, talk to us, practice English right here, and learn new words every single day. So thank you very much. Have a good one. See you next video.